Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna do this leetcode problem. Best time to buy and sell a stock. Okay, and in this problem, we're giving an array of price where price I is the price of the given stock on the 9th day. You want to maximize our profit by choosing a single day to buy one of the stocks and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. The maximum return on profit you achieve from this transaction. I'll return the maximum profit that you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, then return 0. Okay. Okay. So then in our example, we have price of 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, and 4, and our maximum profit is 5 because we can buy at 1 and we can sell at 6. So we're trying to find the most left the left's most what's it called? The left's most smallest number and the right most biggest number in a time frame, in a frame. And over here, because everything is 7, 6, 4, 3, and 1, we can't really. If we buy on here, we make negative profit. If we buy here, we make negative profit. So what I'm seeing is a trend is as the numbers are always increasing from the start number. That's what our window should be. So a window should be if the numbers are increasing. So then over here, 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. What we can do is we can start both at the first index of 7, and we check and we move one of them, okay, and then it's 1, and 7 is greater than 1. So then we move the next one next to it, okay, and we check if the next number is greater than 1, and we'll calculate and it's 5, and it is greater than 1. So then now we'll calculate the maximum profit and turn that into our profit, okay, and then we fix one pointer there and we move on to the next pointer, and then it's 1 and 3, and then we'll calculate the profit again and we'll compare. We'll take the min and max, and then we'll do it again. We'll do 6, and then we see 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 1, and then we calculate profit, return, and then we'll do that until we went through the whole length of the array. But the question is, what should our while loop be? If we set 2 pointers and the 1 will always be fixed, I guess we'll know if once that one reaches the end, we know we hit the longest window. Okay, so then we can do this. So then we can do int start would be 0, and then int end would be 0 also. And then now what we can do is do int profit, and this will also be 0. And we're gonna start end and profit, and then while end is less than the static. Let's call cast of int of std as the size of our vector prices. Minus 1. So this is the thing, and now what are we gonna do? We're gonna what are we gonna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our is going to we compare the price at the start with the n plus 1. Oh, I guess our n can start at 1, right? Because if we compare like this, if what? If price at our start is greater than prices at the end, we know that we must plus start, and then plus end. Then we can boot at 1 and 1. Nice. No, actually, what we can do is if we check if it's negative or not. Yeah, so we calculate in the calc. Alright, calc would mean we calculate the very start, the start one. So then prices at the start minus prices at the end. Because now we have start minus the end. Oh shoot, it's the other way around. Start. And if calc is less than 0, then we increment both plus start and then plus. Okay. And then if it's not 0, then we know we are in a substring. And because we're in a substring, and because we know we're in a substring already, what we can do is we can profit would equal the max of our calc. And then we can just need to move the end pointer 1. And we can return profit at that. Okay, so then let's see what's happening here. Okay. So then we know I say we're at the start end of that end. So here we have prices and actually let's do calc. There has to be a reason. 2, negative. Oh shoot, we're supposed to be moving the start. Start plus 1. Wait a second. Oh, I see what we're doing. We're never moving the end pointer at all. So then what's happening here? So then if they're, okay, so let's just break it down first. If it's negative, meaning we're here, right? We want to move both of them, okay? Now it's 1 and 5. And this is positive. So if it's positive, we're going to calculate it. And then we're going to move the end pointer only. I mean the end pointer. We move the end pointer 1. That start is fixed. And then say this number here, or say this is, or say we're over here. Okay, say we're this and this. Then we'll just, yeah. Wait, that's the same thing. No? So we get negative 6, negative 2, negative. Oh, it's because we're never moving the start. Oh, shoot. I forgot where I was going with that. Wait a second. They should be printing out the start already. No? Because the first one's negative, right? If the first one's negative, then we should move the start 1, but we're not moving the start at all. So we're still at 0. Oh, it's greater than. Wait, what? Oh, it's less than. Oh my god. I really don't want to talk about it at all. It's the morning, I swear. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. Ooh, I messed up some edge cases then. Here what we're looking at is one. So then if price is 1 and price is 2, use test case. Well, we'll just print oh, it's because now what we're doing is our starts here, our ends here, 2, 1. Oh, because because it has to be greater or equal to. Oopsies. Now we have it good. Okay. Wrong answer. We're expecting 2 here. This one doesn't even print. 0. I think it's something about the 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So here we have 2 and 1, we negative 1. Okay, and then 1 and 2, be 1, and then we check this one, and then that would not be good. So we move both of them. It'll be 0 and 2. Just run this. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so then that makes much more sense now. It's because I was incrementing both of them when I didn't need to, because we're only needed to increment the other one, and then eventually the other pointer will catch up. And then once it catches up, okay, that makes sense. This is my first time doing a sliding, or actually doing a sliding window problem. So sorry about my lack of knowledge. Man, this easy was harder than the mediums. Don't make sense. Okay, but it's a different pattern. So thank you guys. Hopefully I went through it well and talked through the problems that I had with it. If not, please let me know.